One of my previous videos, when I was talking about emergency funds, I mentioned that instead of putting your emergency funds in bank and just sitting there idle, you can open money market funds account and you put your emergency fund there. In that way, it is earning interest also. So today, in today's video, I'm going to talk more about money market funds, what it takes to open an account, and what do you need even when you are outside the country. Hey everyone, I'm Becky and welcome back to Becky Brilliant Finance, where we talk about personal finance, personal development, and living a life you truly want. Money market funds is where your money is pooled with other investors and managed by professionals in safe places like government securities and fixed deposits. Instead of you running around looking where to put your money, professionals handle that for you. You can check, they are fully registered in Uganda. You can check on CMA, Capital Market Authority in Uganda website. You can go there and check on that website and see which fund managers are registered in Uganda so that you can freely know that where to put your money and which company to invest with. How to start even when you're outside the country. The good news is you don't need to be in the country to open money market fund. Most of the fund managers, they register online. All you need is your national ID or passport copy, then bank statement. In case you don't have any bank account back in Uganda, what you can do, you can check which bank you can open online. There's some bank they can allow you to open account online. First do that. When you get bank account, then get bank statement. Know which fund manager you're going to work with there. When I told you earlier, you can check on CMA website which one are registered. After knowing the fund manager, you have your passport copy or your national ID, bank statement. You can the one you choose, they will send you a form, a simple form to fill, still online. After filling that form, you send that form back to them with national ID and your national ID copy or passport copy with bank statement. Then most of them, they need 100k Ugandan shillings to start with, but there are some which take only 10k Ugandan shillings. Money is yours, you're just opening account, and even if you open that with that amount, and anytime you want to put to deposit more, it is up to you. How to send that money is through bank transfers or mobile money. When you register with them, there is a form they give you how to send the money on your account. So from there, you can choose either bank transfer or mobile money. That is it. Things to consider when choosing a fund manager while opening money market fund. One, you have to consider their longevity and transparency. How long they have been operating, and are they open about processes? When you're trying to invest with any company, you can't be lazy. You have to do investigation about that company. Two, you have to consider track record and experiences. Do they have any bad experience? Their performance, all that information, you can get it on their website. Carry that information, because all we know, no one wants any bad experience with customer care. So first carry that information. Know that where you're going to invest, it will be easy for you to communicate to customer care, and also when it comes to withdrawals, do that all research. Third one is interest versus inflation. You have to compare their interest rate with inflation rate to see if your money is really going to be growing or not. Doing your homework ensures that you are investing in the right fund manager and your MMF provider is the right for you. Hope now you know what money market fund is, what it needs for you to open an account, which fund manager, how to know the right fund manager for you to invest, and what it takes for you to invest there, what you need. Hope now we know. So we can go now to the benefits of money market funds. First benefit is it pays higher interest than banks. Mobile money, you can withdraw anytime you want, and it is flexible. You can withdraw your money, I think, in 1 or 2 working days. Then 3, you don't need millions to start. Some start, as I mentioned, with 100k Ugandan shillings. Others you can start with only 10k Ugandan shillings. So it is easy. Anyone actually can open money market funds. And now you don't have any excuse of saying you are not in the country. Anyone can open money market funds wherever you are. Another benefit, it is good for capital preservation. Another one, it is managed by professionals. Yeah, it is stress-free. You don't be too stressed. But people who are dealing with fund managers, they are so professionals. So they will handle your money well. It is also perfect for emergency funds, also term goals. Let me say you want to buy a car in 6 months to come. So you can start saving with them, as that saving is earning interest. Then by the time maybe 6 months are done, your money is already growing with some interest. So it is good for emergency fund and short-term goals. The best thing I love about it, it is compound interest. When you leave your money there for some time, that interest is also making interest for you. And we all know that the power of compound interest. Risks or reality check before investing in money market funds. 1, it is not get rich quick scheme. 2, their returns are not fixed. So today the interest may be this, then tomorrow it is this. So you have to know that before opening account, that their returns are not fixed. But you may find maybe this month it is this, next month it is this. But what you have to put in mind, know that money market fund return is always 8 to 13, around there annually. So that you avoid the issue of being maybe today it is this, tomorrow it is this. Just know that it is not fixed. But all in all, money market fund is a safe way to keep your money, to invest where your money is earning something. Instead of putting your money in bank, I encourage you, I recommend money market fund. If you get really a good fund manager, your money is getting something for you. If you put, let me say 1 million in Jan, by the end of a year, you will find that 1M, it is earning you 100k interest. It is not that much, but if you have input it in bank, that 100 million at the end of the year, it was going to be 100 million. So instead of just putting it somewhere to be idle, giving out to people, or tempted even to use it in things that are not mattering, it is better you save that money in money market fund, where it is going to be earning for you some interest. It is not that big, but it is there. And the good news, it is compound interest. So whether you are in Uganda or outside the country, you've seen you can open money market fund account. No more excuse. Start saving for your emergency fund, or if you're done with emergency fund, you can start for your short-term savings, so that your savings are earning more interest for you. That's the best of money market fund. This is Becky Brilliant Finance, making money simple for you. Follow for more tips. And in case you have any other thing to ask me about money market fund, put it in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. See you next Friday. Bye-bye.